Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea called meditation from New Age Teaching Techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is The Enormous Turnip from NCERT Class 5 Chapter 4, and the subject is English. The time duration for the activity is 20 minutes but also depends on the strength of your class. So focused meditation is used to build a vital connection with the concept being taught to increase the creative thinking ability and imagination of the students. This concept is to revise the vocabulary in production with each other, adjectives and complete stories based on the hints. For this activity, teacher needs to arrange some fruits and vegetables like potato, tomato, green chilies, peas, bindi, radish, spinach, brinjal, methi, mango, etc. So initiate the class by telling the student that they will be studying using their imagination. Instruct the student to follow the process of meditation by closing their eyes and sitting silently, taking a few deep breaths slowly. Give each student a vegetable or fruit in their palm. Ask them to keep their eyes closed and imagine the following silently. Try to communicate with the objects in your palm and imagine what's inside it. Ask them to feel the object, its texture, shape and size, weight. Then conclude the activity by asking the student to open their eyes gently and share their thoughts. Through this innovative idea, a student will learn to group objects, material, adjective on the basis of their features, properties such as shape, taste, color, texture, sound, traits, etc. They will learn to record the observation, experiences, information in an organized manner in tables and predicts pattern in activities. This innovation is designed to make students imagine the theme of the topics that acts as a medium to collect all the scattered energies in one place, act as vital part of classroom management and theories. Core life skills that can be included are self-awareness, critical thinking, decision making and effective communication. Values that can be touched upon are acceptance, having an objective attitude towards others' ideas and practice their differ from their own. While meditating, the student need to sit calmly and relax their bodies as well as their mind. This state of relaxed body and mind can be beneficial for the student with anxiety. Initially, the student might not be able to sit for a long time, but after some time they will gradually improve. This technique might also be great help to the children with impulsivity or hyperactivity. Children with autism usually are restless and anxious. Meditation can make them calm and relaxed. This activity can increase their awareness of the surroundings. For this interesting innovation, that's all. I hope you like the video. And if you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. And you can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.